Claire Steele, Sopela team is winner today in Estella. Claire, say us please, how was the race?
It was a really exciting race, lots of attacks, some beautiful climbs, lovely fast descents, and I was really lucky that my team were really attentive and really controlled the race and covered all of the early attacks, and then it thinned out a little bit on the climbs, and then we had a nice group of 11 working together, and then quite a few more attacks on the remaining climbs into the finish.
Okay, the last kilometers you are very strong. Say us please, how was you the last kilometers?
A little bit painful. I attacked with about 5 kilometers to go into the finish, and then it was a fast descent, but I was quite conscious that I was on my own and there was a group chasing me behind, so just tried to be as fast as I could, and the finish line couldn't come soon enough, to be honest.
The next target for this season, please?
So next week we have a Spanish Cup race, and sort of a personal target for me would be a top 5 or a podium in the Spanish Cup, but just to have a great team performance, really.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.